All right, recipe number 2 for Miracle Dish Monday. I figured since I had some bananas that needed to go away, I would make another recipe. And in our family, one of our favorite things is banana bread, but I'm gonna try to do a banana cake. So I'm also gonna use these little Fantasia Fresh containers, the Miracle Dish baby cousin. And what I did in here was I took half a banana and I added 3 tablespoons, of milk. And I added 3 tablespoons of oil and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. So you can be really creative. I actually don't have milk, so I use coffee creamer. That ought to be interesting. And then in here, this is 6 tablespoons of flour. You can use whole wheat flour, regular flour, whatever you prefer. And then this is 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust that more or less, however you like it. And then it's 3 tablespoons of oil. And again, you can use vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever you like. Actually, you know what? I always make a mess doing this. So then you're just gonna go ahead and mix it up in this dish. This is the 2-cup one. And then you're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So I'm excited about this because it does not have an egg, and a lot of people are allergic to eggs, or they don't wanna use them for fear of it not being cooked all the way through, you know, salmonella and stuff like that. The texture looks really nice already so far. So bananas is great to use in recipes. It's high protein, not protein, potassium, sorry about that. Hey, this is looking good. You can see it, right? So we're gonna put this in the microwave. I'm gonna put the lid on it and just vent it a little bit. And we're gonna see how this comes out. So this is a 2-minute bake in the microwave. You can come back in 2 minutes and see how we're gonna put it. Because what I have to do is I have to let it cool just slightly. Because this may or may not be Nutella that's going on top of it. 2 minutes, meet me here. Are you ready? So here's our banana cake. Oh, it's really hot. But you can see that it's done. Bottom is done. Here's our Nutella. You can just put it on top. I guess you can eat it without it too. I don't know what fun that would be. But anyhow, so this is our little, I should let this melt a little bit more, our banana cake with the Nutella on top. You know what? My Nutella is very hard. We're gonna stick this in the microwave for a second. I guess it was too cold. Let's just do like 10 seconds. It doesn't take long. And so that's it, banana cake. I'm very nervous to taste this. Not because I don't think it'll taste good, because I think it's gonna taste too good. Oh my goodness. There you go, that was good. Alrighty, so we're just gonna spread the Nutella on the top. This will be a great little, you know, snack, right? You just want something quick and easy. You definitely wanna make the Nutella a little bit, my Nutella's too hard. So I definitely would make it a little bit, put it in the microwave for a little bit more so that it spreads really easily. All right, there it goes. There it goes. Maybe not the prettiest, but sometimes it doesn't have to look pretty to taste really good. So here we go. The official taste tester of the National Institute of, I have such a fun job. Let's see how hot it is. 2 minutes in the microwave with the bananas that you would normally throw out. And Nutella. We have another winner on our hands. Of course, anything with Nutella is good. That would even taste good without it though. Yum. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Miracle Dish Monday. We'll find something new for next week.